Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of m if we have 3 to the power of m plus 9 to the power of m plus 27 to the power of m is equals to 39. We solve this problem for all the values of m, and now here in the very first step we are going to do is first we need to rewrite this equation as so we have this is 3 to the power of m, and we write this 9 as 3 square and its whole power m plus, and we write this 27 as 3 cubed and its whole power m, and it is equals to 29. And now here further in the next step we use here the nice exponent law, and according to these exponent law we will multiply these two exponents and it will be written as, or in other words we need to exchange these two exponents. Okay, so when you exchange these two exponents it will be written as 3 to the power of m and its whole square, and when you exchange these two exponents it will be written as 3 to the power of m and its whole cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 39. And now here we need to convert this exponential equation into the cubic form. For this we will just take here our x is equals to 3 to the power of m. So when we take x equals 3 to the power of m, so this will be written as this will becomes here x plus x square plus x cubed, and it is equals to 39, and we break this 39 as 3 plus 9 and plus 27. Okay, we write 39 as 3 plus 9 becomes 12, 12 plus 27 becomes here 39. And now here in the next step we need to move all of these three terms in the left hand side, and we will make the pair of x with this 3. When we move 3 in the left hand side it will becomes minus 3, and plus we make the pair of 9 with x square, it will be written as x square minus 9, and we make the pair of 27 with x cubed, it will be written as x cubed minus 27, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to rewrite this equation as this is x minus 3 plus, here you have x square minus we write 9 as 3 square, and here you have x cubed minus we write 27 as 3 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here in the next step we need two nice algebraic formulas. So first we can apply here this formula. If you have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and here the second we need this formula. If you have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So in this case we have our a is equals to x and b is equals to 3. Similarly in this case our a is x and b is 3. So that now we can apply here the both of the below formulas to the above equation, so that we have first x minus 3 plus, when you can apply this formula on here it will be written as x minus 3 times of x plus 3, and plus when you can apply cubic formula on here it will becomes x minus 3 times of x square plus 3x plus 3 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now you see here each of these terms involve x minus 3, so that we will take common x minus 3 and we get the remaining values are, here we get 1, and here we get x plus 3, and here we get x square plus 3x plus this 3 square equals to 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. Here we need to add or subtract the like terms. We have x minus 3 times of first you have x square plus this is x plus 3x becomes 4x, and 9 plus 1 becomes 10, 10 plus 3 becomes 13, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we can divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 3 equals to 0. The second case is we write x square plus 4x plus 13 equals to 0. From this case we easily get the value of x equals to 3, and now we back substitute the value of x, and it is 3 to the power of m. Now we can put this value of m, this value of x here, it will become 3 to the power of m equals to 3 to the power of 1, and you see here bases on both of the sides are same, so we equate its exponents and we easily get the value of m is equals to 1. So this is the first real root of the given equation, and now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here first we will just write the we can apply the quadratic formula here, and now we can write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 13. And we state the quadratic formula as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now here in the next step we need to put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 4, it will becomes minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, b is 4 square, minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 13, and it is divided by 2 times of a. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have x is equals to, this is minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square equals to 16, minus here we get here 13 times of 4 is equals to 4 3s are 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, it means that 4 times of 13 equals to 52, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to subtract these two values, and we will get here x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 52 is equals to minus 36, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, here we know that square root of 36 equals to 6 and square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and we break this value and we can write 2 separately on both of these values. So you get here our x is equals to, this is 2 times of 2 is 4, we get minus 2 plus minus 3 iota, this is 2 times of 3 becomes here 6. So we have two values of x, and that is minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. We can break these two values. Here we write the positive value minus 2 plus 3 iota, and here we write the negative value, it is minus 2 minus 3 iota. And now because we solve this problem for the values of m, and here we back substitute the value of x, and it is 3 to the power of m is equals to minus 2 plus 3 iota, and in this case we have 3 to the power of m is equals to minus 2 minus 3 times of iota. So for the values of m we need to take the log on both of the sides, and it will be written as when you can apply log on both of the sides, it will becomes log of 3 to the power of m equals to log of minus 2 plus 3 iota, and here we will get m times of log 3 is equals to log of minus 2 plus 3 iota. So here we get the value of m is equals to log of minus 2 plus 3 iota divided by log of 3. So this is the second value of m, and that is the complex value. And now here we need to solve this case, and in this case we can apply again log on both of the sides, and it will become the log of 3 to the power of m equals to log of minus 2 minus 3 iota, and it will be written as m is equals to log of minus 2 minus 3 iota divided by log of 3. This is the second value of m, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.